Most millionaires didn't get lucky. They built habits, starting young. If you're between 15 and 30, you've got the biggest advantage of all: time. These are the 7 wealth habits young people follow to retire early. But only a few ever master habit number 6 and number 7. Stick around, I've got a free tool that'll make habit number 7 ridiculously easy. Let's see how many you're already doing. Habit 1. Live below your means. Spend less than you make. Track every dollar. Control your money, or it controls you. Habit 2. Start investing early. Time in the market beats timing the market. $5 a day at 18 can grow to $400,000 by 50. Start early, stay consistent. Habit 3. Automate everything. Automate savings, automate investing. Set it once, let your future self thank you. Even $50 per month can change everything. Habit 4. Level up your skills. Want to earn more? Learn more. Build high-value skills like design, AI, or marketing. You don't need a degree, just value. Habit 5. Avoid lifestyle creep. Income up? Don't let spending follow. Upgrade income, not lifestyle. Stack the difference. Build wealth. Still watching? Good, because habit 6 and 7 separate the comfortable from the financially free. Habit 6. Build income streams. Jobs pay bills, but assets build freedom. Start a side hustle. Sell a digital product. Let money work while you sleep. Habit 7. Start budgeting. Want to master your money? Start by knowing where it's going. Budgeting gives direction, not restriction. Drop a comment and I'll DM you a free budgeting tool I built myself. Most people won't act on this, but you're still here. That means something. Like and subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps keep this channel going. Now, watch this next video, How to Retire by 35.